evening. The key benchmark indices opened on a weak note today following cues from the global markets, with US markets closing in the red and the Asian markets trading negatively early on. However, markets witnessed buying in the morning session, which further strengthened during the mid-session following the positive opening in European markets. Markets managed to trade marginally in the green in the final session but slipped in the red again post the sell-off in Europe before marginal buying led indices to close flat. The volatility was high with negative market breadth during the day. India's wholesale gold demand remained subdued on Friday afternoon as prices hit a 4-week global high, though a strong rupee supported prices at home, dealers said. The Indian markets closed higher today with the NSE Nifty closing above the 5,450 mark as investors cheered strong results by index heavyweights like SBI and Tata Steel. But the key indices came off intraday highs after European markets erased all gains and turned lower. A smart improvement in the Asian markets like Japan, China and Hang Seng, coupled with a stronger than anticipated GDP growth data from the Eurozone, especially in Germany and France, also helped perk the mood after the recent reversals. The BSE Sensex closed at 18,167, up 93 points from the previous close. It had earlier been at a high of 18,260 and a low of 18,050 after opening at 18,080. The Nifty was up 35 points at 5,452 after touching a high of 5,475 and a low of 5,415. The BSE Small Cap Index and the BSE Mid Cap Index ended their outperformance of the main indices with gains of 0.7% and 1% respectively. The market breadth was positive and all but one sectorial index on the BSE closed in the green territory. The BSE Metal Index was down largely owing to the weakness in Sterlite Industries. DLF, ITC, Maruti, Jayaprakash Associates, Jindal Steel, Kotak Bank, Power Grid, IDFC, Unitech, HCL Tech, Axis Bank and GAIL India were the leading gainers in the Sensex and the Nifty. SBI and Tata Steel advanced after both the heavyweights reported strong set of results for the April to June quarter. ICICI Bank also rose after its merger with the Bank of Rajasthan was approved by the Reserve Bank of India. Cairn India was a big winner after reports suggested that Vedanta Resources would pick up a majority stake in the company. On the other hand, shares of Sterlite Industries nearly fell 4% amid reports that its parent Vedanta Resources was looking to buy a majority stake in Cairn India. The other notable losers included Arcom, which was down 3% ahead of its results, and Suzlon too was soft before its first quarter results. M&M shares declined slightly as well after the utility major was named the preferred bidder for acquiring the cash-strapped South Korean SUV maker SsangYong. Tata Motors, Ambuja Cement and Reliance Infra were the other notable losers. Hindalco and Bharti Airtel also ended in the red. That's it for the day. Thank you and have a great weekend ahead.